Now helping me vacuum and do the dishes. Come over here now. You come here. She's trying to get past Roomba. Come on. There you are. Okay. BJ's sure she should go outside because it's a storm out there. Hey now, should we do some dishes? Yeah, we need to put some dishes away there, don't we? Huh? What you got, B? Who's this? Who's this? Huh? Who's that? Who do you want? Better rescue somebody. Roomba's coming. No. Huh? Well, we need to get some work done. Huh? We need to get some work done. I'm going to do the dishes now, right? B? No? Yeah? No, still figuring out this kitchen stuff. Okay. There we go. That's actually BJ's toy, so we'll see how well this goes over. Yeah, she says, oh, I might like this one. No, let's go get a drink. No, let's find a ball. Now we'll just have a drink. Balls are all gone. Hey, should we do some more dishes? Yeah. No, you see her?